Spring has sprung and cleaning has begun. Wendell Thomas, the Supervisor of Yard Waste for the City of Fayetteville Solid Waste Department, is here with me now. Wendell, it is looking like fall out there. I have been seeing piles of leaves everywhere.
It is the season for cleaning, and residents are cleaning their yards. There are a lot of loose leaf and straw piles and all types of yard debris out now.
Now, yard waste crews will go out and collect those leaves and other yard waste items, but can you tell me what residents can do to make sure that their yard waste will be collected?
First, they need to make sure they know their collection day. They can either look on the website or they can call the call center. For any loose leaf piles, straw piles, they need to be containerized. We would not pick it up loose off of the ground. So it does have to be containerized either in approved bags. They should be durable black plastic bags or a personal 32-gallon container with the lid and handles, or city issue brown or green 96-gallon containers.
Okay, and can they set out any kind of loose, anything like limb pile?
We do collect small branch piles up to 3 feet in length and 3 inches in diameter. Anything up past those will be considered a bulky truck pile, and that is picked up by a different truck, and it will be picked up. Bulky trucks are right now, they are on A and B week, so it may be the next week before it get picked up, but it will be picked up.
What if residents set out more than 10 approved containerized items?
We will pick up to 10 on any setting. We will tag it and we will come back on the next collection day. It will be collected, but we're only going to pick up 10 for that time.
Okay, and can you show me do you have the tag?
Yes, I do have a tag. The drivers and the loaders will tag it, letting you know you had over 10 items. Like I say, we will pick up the 10 items, we will tag it. The tag is, a lot of people think that the tag is trouble. The tag is for informational purposes. So we will tag it, they read the tag, they'll see we are coming back, we will come back.
Okay, so as long as it's set out correctly.
Yes.
For household trash, recycling, limb collection, and bulky item collection, we ask that those are set out 4 feet away from each other, as well as 4 feet away from other obstructions.
Right.
Is this the same for yard waste?
Not really. Yard waste, we ask that all the yard waste is in one area together. We will pick up everything in one area together. We do ask that it's not blocked by any cars or any type of obstruction stopping them from picking it up. And we also ask that, it will be at least 4 feet from the curb.
So 4 feet from the curb, and other obstructions as well.
Yes.
It should be all together.
It should be all together.
Yard
exactly.
waste pile here.
Right, it all should be together.
And will yard waste crews collect contractor generated debris?
No, ma'am, they do not. If you do have a contractor and the contractor is the one cleaning your yard, we ask that you have the contractor take the yard waste with them. If they leave it, we ask that you would call them back to come and get the yard waste. If we ride and we see it as a contractor, we will actually tag it. They are taking pictures of the contractor while they're there. So we do know that it is a contractor, and the contractors are paid to take the yard waste. We will not take that. The city is not responsible for contractor yard waste.
Thank you for joining me today, Wendell.
You're welcome.
For more information and to find your collection schedule, visit fayettevillenc.gov/solid waste, or you can reach out to our call center at 910-433-1329. For the City of Fayetteville, I'm Kayla Alenis.